Are you going to the microphone again?
No. Hello!
Hello, we hit the bath.
What are you doing?
Hello,
A bath?
Yeah.
Was it a warm bath?
Yeah.
A cold bath?
It was a burning bath.
A burning bath? Together?
Yeah.
Oh. Where's your wings?
Oh, no. And
Go get your wings. Oh, there.
and we're gonna have a frozen bath.
You should put them on and then try and fly.
Why?
Because it's fun.
I used to have them and I tried to fly in
Can you hold that and we'll put the wings on?
And can I have it? I'll hold
Put
it.
the wings on
Why?
so we can record her fly.
Why?
Because it's good.
What's the red flame flashing?
Okay.
What's the red
This one in
flame?
there.
What's this? The red flashing?
Don't worry about the red thing. Okay, now record her flying.
Wait.
Fly! Watch her.
Watching her.
How do you do it? Fly!
Do I have to watch her do?
Yeah. Oh, you taking them off?
I can't. Where is where?
Oh.
Is that her in the brown top? Not
No.
that Tunkalera.
She's over there. She's over there. Go follow her.
Found her. She's so big. Now I'm going right back here.
Okay, do you want to try flying?
Yeah.
Okay, you fly. Yeah. Go. That's pretty good. That's pretty good flying.
I'm jumping.
Oh.
Because I can't fly, see?
Look, your sister's flying. Oh, what are you doing?
Can I have it too? Okay, then you